How did you figure out, what was the process you went through to figure out what style suited you best? Because I think that is integral to designing and figuring out an executable plan.
Right. What it was actually was, like I said, I was doing the stocks and got into the currency, and I found myself just sitting there watching the stocks using 30-minute time frames, holding it all day, overnight. I don't do that anymore, but holding that overnight. When I got into the currency, I would get in, make a profit. It's like, boom, I'm in, I'm out, 15, 20, 30 minutes maybe. It was just something, and with the changing trends and just the fact that it's open 24 hours, 5.5 days a week,
yeah,
I was like, this is me to the T.
So, you started trading. How many pairs are there? I don't even know the total number. There's 300 some pairs of forex currencies.
Yeah. There's probably more than that, to be honest with you. But I only trade the liquid ones: the euros, the pounds, the yens.
Would you say you stay in the dollar based, or in those big eights, or are you also doing some krona, euro, things like that? You get into the more exotics at times?
No, I tried the exotics twice, and I thought I'd have to take out a loan to get back into the game.
Gotcha.
But the big eights are the major ones that I watch. There's actually 12 currency pairs that I have alerts set for to know what's going on with it. But it's dollar based, basically against the yen, the commodity pairs, and the euro. So that's really what I stick to. It's my niche. I don't want to say niche. I don't think anybody has a niche in the currency market.
In what time frame do you, are you day trader? Are you a swing trader?
Day trader.
Day trader. And so when you are day trading, Kevin, do you segment your day as a lot of forex traders will? You've got the U.S. markets 6:30 until 1, and then you've got the Japanese starting here at 5. I'm on the West Coast. I know you're on the East Coast, so 8 o'clock your time. And then do you kick off the Euro market for me midnight? Again 3 a.m. your time. Is that how you kind of segment your day? And do you rotate those 12 currency pairs that you're watching, dependent upon which market you're following?
Yes. I don't trade the afternoon currency market for the U.S. going to the European close. I'm short of FOMC minutes, interest rate decisions, things like that. And I'll start trading Asia about 9, be done by 11:30. It's usually when the big moves will happen. I'll be there watching in case something happens, but I block that time period off, and then from 2:30 to 6 a.m. East Coast time, I'll watch the European London markets, then go do whatever I have to do, come back, and then get ready for the equity markets, the futures market, and then the U.S. Open of the currency market.
Okay, so it sounds like you trade the close of the Asian, the open of the Euro, and then the open of the American.
Yes.
So you don't trade the close of the Euro too much, and you don't trade the close of the U.S., but you do trade the close of the Japanese market.
Right.
Interesting. How did you come up? Why that? Why not beginning, or end? I'm curious why the Japanese. You went to the latter part of the day for their market.
Well, the latter part for me, that's the beginning part. It's 8 p.m. or like I said, 9 to 11:30. That's where I saw the biggest moves, more volatility. So for me, it was like, I don't want to sit here like today, this afternoon in the currency market.
Yeah.
And I placed a trade. I was in it for 3 hours. I made like 12 pips.
Right.
That's not me. So that's where I saw the biggest moves. That's usually when their news is coming out for the most part, because they'll intersect with the Australian market as well.
Right.
And that's where you see the pop and things like that.